Hello everyone, my name is Ruby Yadav and I am a legal intern at Lexis and Company. I am pursuing my LLB from Miri Professional and Law Institute, MDU, Rohtak. I am glad to get this opportunity and this platform to represent myself and tell you something about my topic. As we know, we are in 21st century and this is the generation of the digitalization, because the development of this nation or this generation is not possible without digitalization. So the internet is a very important part or very initial need of our daily routine. So today we will discuss about one of the landmark case, that was the Fahima Shireen RK versus State of Kerala. And the sole purpose of my topic is to tell you about the facts and the judgments of this case. Fahima Shireen was a student and she was residing in a hostel, and the rules and regulation of her hostel was not to use the cell phones or the mobile phones between 6 to 10 p.m. Fahima Shireen opposed this rule and filed a petition before the court, in which she said that as for the development of the education, the use of the internet and the use of the mobile phones is initial, and they'll have to do their projects in most probably night time. So if the hostel will not allow the cell phone between 6 to 10 p.m, then how they will complete their projects and how they will complete their studies. This case was filed in front of P.V. Asha, single bench judge of the Kerala High Court. So in this case, keeping in mind the development of the education process and for the development of the student, court held one important judgment, that was right to internet as a fundamental right. Court held that right to internet or right to access internet is a fundamental right of the Constitution. Right to access internet is a fundamental right of our Constitution, and it was added under Article 21 of the Constitution, that is right to privacy. And right to access internet was added in a relation of the right to education. This was the judgment of the Fahima Shireen case, and it was held as an important judgment in the series of the right to internet. As we know, in today's generation, we cannot do any work or access anything without the use of the internet. As now you are watching this video when your phone is connected with the internet, because all of the information we want nowadays is available on a one click by using the internet, which is helping in the development of this nation. So the right to information is our fundamental right, and now onwards we can use it positively for our development. This is all about my topic. Thank you so much.